Salam to you all, dear students. Today I will be discussing with you all about the different types of plants that grow under different stages of rainfall or conditions of rainfall. And I will be discussing with you all majorly about plants that grow in places where there is heavy rainfall. That is for today. Now you see, there are different types of plants growing under different rainfall conditions. What I mean by this is places where there is a heavy rainfall, plants are grown, and there is a name given to plants that grow in places where there is heavy rainfall. And then there are plants that grow in places where there is moderate rainfall. There is a separate name given to such plants that grow in places where there is moderate rainfall. And there are plants that grow in deserts also, and they are given a name, right? And there are plants that grow in polar regions, and these plants also have a name. Okay. Today I will be giving you a vivid description about the first category of plants or the first type of plants, which are called hydrophytes. What are hydrophytes? Hydrophytes are the plants that live or grow in places where there is heavy rainfall, and these are called hydrophytes. I'm sorry. So these are called hydrophytes. So plants living and growing in places with heavy rainfall are called hydrophytes. They are totally submerged plants, also called as true water plants or aquatic plants. So here it is very simple for every one of us to remember. Hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity means electricity generated from water. Hydroelectricity by way of turbines. So that is hydroelectricity. So here we are talking about plants that grow in places where there is heavy rainfall. And these plants that grow in places where there is heavy rainfall are called hydrophytes. And these are also called as true water plants or aquatic plants, as they are totally submerged in water. So for example, lotus. Lotus is one of the examples of hydrophytes. And similarly, water lily. And there is one more plant called as hydrilla. But what is it that all of us know in common and have noticed in our real life? Lotus, isn't it? It floats. You must have observed. It floats on the water, or rather, it floats, isn't it? So we have seen, and it is submerged in the water. So lotus is always available in plenty in the areas or places where there is heavy rainfall. Okay, so this is regarding hydrophytes. And of course, I have told you in detail regarding hydrophytes, but I will also take you through a few more plants, in the sense different categories of plants. The next comes mesophytes. I will give you with I will explain to you with examples in the next session. But this is just the outline of what I am going to tell you as far as mesophytes are concerned, and the plants that I am going to discuss down the line. What are mesophytes? Mesophytes are the plants that grow in places where there is moderate rainfall. So what do we mean by moderate? Moderate rainfall means the rainfall is neither too heavy nor it is too light. It is in between heavy and light. It's moderate rainfall. Say for example, on a cloudy day, the rainfall will be there for about half an hour or say 20 minutes, and then it stops. So it is not a heavy rainfall. So it's moderate rainfall. Okay, this is regarding mesophytes. So I conclude for today. I'll take a call. Let's meet up tomorrow.